the trend the public was trying to upload, which was about ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan. He should be released. He should play his part in the role. Wasn't that a
Oh,
shameful trend?
so that is a minor issue. I mean, that is a, that is the, it is the courts, the Supreme Court, the High Court, and with these people they have to decide, and then government has to take the decision. Army has nothing to do with it. Number one. So, as a retired army officer, I won't like to comment on that. Whether he should, justice should be served to him, and it reminds me of 9th May. That was a massacre committed by PTI, and to ask me frankly, so far, they have not been properly punished. The people have not been arrested so far. There are about 4,000 people
100%.
involved in that, and only 800 people have been arrested, and there are people still at lodge. And I would say there should be a iron hand put around them, and a very strict decision should be taken, sir, so that there is no 9th May in future. This was, this is making fools of a
This
nation
was
and a
basically an attack
country.
on
That
Pakistan as well.
if you don't stay in government and you start committing the civilian coup. 9th May was, you are referring to 9th May now, mostly.
Yeah,
Am I right? It was an
yeah.
instruction. Anybody can sit with me and discuss it. It was their instruction to topple the government, to topple the army chief, and mass scale, what justification? And the people were involved. There's a video, photograph of the PTI leaders who were involved in that. And they were all Imran lovers. They
Yeah.
were all followers of Imran. And they thought that they will topple the government. This is not the way. Okay, if you, I mean, I don't say it,
In short,
they
in
were,
short, we will call that trend a very shameful procedure. That there was a war going on and they were starting their own anarchy in the middle of the war.